it's just time for us to part ways. We've grown too far from each other, you know, and I think we need time as individuals to really see what we want and how we're going to grow, you know. I really hope one day we do meet up again, and I think it will happen very soon, actually. But for the time being, we're going to be separated. Guys, what's going on? This is part 5 of Today at Rockstar, and I will be saying goodbye to my car for about a month. It is going to get painted, and body and everything, wide body. It's going to be painted by the shop in Ontario called Excel Motorsports. Definitely hit them up. Very good paintwork, but this car is going to be gone for a while, but it's coming back 10 times better for reals. So yeah, thank you guys.
Alrighty guys, sorry if that intro was a little hard of hearing, but basically James is saying goodbye to his car for just a little while, sending it over to XL Motorsports where they're going to slap some body kit stuff on there and some paint to go along with it. So if you've been following along like I know you have, you'll remember in the last episode Jake here broke one of his wheel hubs and went ahead and had all 4 of them replaced along with some ARP wheel studs. Great choice. That does it for today's episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stick around and you'll see what James's car will end up looking like. Hopefully it comes out good, huh?